Hello and welcome to another update video on XRP. What can I say? XRP has now reached this target level that we talked about over the last few days, around $3.40. Basically the January high, and on some exchanges the all-time high. Now, we haven't broken it yet, but the price has come close, really, really close. And that's amazing. That's amazing because we're getting closer to those key levels that really matter. And over the last few days, I'm just wondering when the masses are coming in. I mean, this is all driven by retail anyway, right? But still, it doesn't feel like 2021 yet, even though prices are way higher. But I'm just wondering when, okay, it's not higher than the peak of 2021, you know what I mean? But still, we've spent quite a long time in this range, and I'm just wondering when the masses, or if the masses are coming in. They typically come into late, so this phase here, yeah, before the masses come in is actually usually the best. Because when they all come in, it's going to be chaos, and then it's going to top. But for now, we can still grind a little higher. Market is attacking the $3.30 level, which is, yeah, basically the all-time high, you could say, 340. Grinding higher means getting to those levels in all-time high territory that we defined already in previous videos. I just want to take a moment to honor them and to talk about them. And let's see if we can get there. It does look like it, but bear in mind that current level here that we've been talking about over the last few days. I mean, I've been highlighting it, however, for the last few weeks, that this is going to be a key level that needs to be broken, of course, the January swing high. So getting above this level means shifting the focus to the next upside targets. $3.84, first ideal target for our third wave. Can always go a bit higher, but again, I wouldn't always rely on it. Let's see if we can get there first. Then pullback in a fourth wave would be next. Then this fifth wave should take us to round about $4.30, $4.70, maybe even $5. And this is what we can see right now. I mean, it can always go higher, but this is sort of what we are tracking right now, and this is sort of the next ideal target area, sort of in the $5 region that we have on the radar. So I would like to see the price get there. Just want to give you some roadmap targets along the way. 380, yeah, and if we break above it, which is likely with XRP, because when the hype runs, then XRP runs typically as well. So $4.30 and $4.70 would be the next reasonable targets that we would then start to track. Okay, so that's definitely something I am very much aware of here, this kind of situation, and also what the next levels are. But not only I wanted to help you understand them as well. Now, what I think can happen is we break higher, extend a little bit in the third wave. First of all, we got to get above the 340 level, the green line here. And then in any fourth wave pullback, we might just retest that level from above, and hopefully it'll be successful. And then for one more rally to the upside to take us to round about $5 plus. That'd be amazing. So looking at the shorter time frame for XRP, yeah, still the same wave count. I shared with you in yesterday's video update this target. It's been reached. Yeah, this target area has been reached. It's between $3.18 and $3.45. So if we get a top here in this region, then the next pullback should be a fourth wave. And that fourth wave can take us into this support region. That would be another opportunity to maybe find a position. But that being said, we haven't started that pullback yet. This is strong resistance, though, probably. Yeah, I mean, sometimes you say it's strong resistance and the price just goes through it like a knife through butter. That can always happen when the market is bullish. This is a signal. I would expect it to be broken, as you know. Question is just, do we break it directly or do we get a pullback first? I don't mind. I mean, I don't need a pullback first. Let's see if we can break it. We've been long enough below this level. And then, yeah, the next focus to the upside could then be on wave 5 of 3. Yeah. And then there could actually be another 4, 5. Hold on, I just need to make sure. Yeah, this should sit higher even. I'm going to adjust that. But this is basically the third wave I just showed you on the larger time frame here, just that you can relate. Here, this one, yeah? This is just zoomed in. And then there should be a 4 and 5. But that 4, again, could take some time, given that the wave 2 lasted, yeah, for like a month, nearly a month. Yeah, a bit longer than that. So please note that this can take some time. maybe a month or two in this fourth wave before we then grind higher and complete the fifth wave, maybe in autumn. I'm always careful with timing. I mean, again, Elliott wave is not a time-based method system. The Bitcoin cycle has already taken a little longer than expected. Not necessarily in terms of price. I mean, we haven't even reached my targets yet, but I originally assumed we might see a top in Q1. Been pushed a bit, which is fine. Haven't confirmed the top yet. And also the altcoins are still due this rally to complete this rally. So yeah, it might shift towards the end of 2025, but that's fine. And overall, still watching for higher for now. I'll keep you updated. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. I also invite you to join a very active X community here. We have an X channel as well. Check it out. You can find our link in the description and in the comment section. Feel free to ask questions here. I'll be there after this video. And yeah, let's check it out. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.